we have a train coming in via train number 87 with a rare train catch, hopefully. Every Wednesday night would be a rare train catch, 2 buck cars. And I hope we'll get those 2 buck cars tonight. I hope. And tomorrow's going to be a bonus train. Look at all these Christmas lights, beautiful Christmas lights. It's raining a little bit, so there's raindrops. I don't think you guys can see the raindrops, but I can see the raindrops. I'm trying to, so I might be I'm not zooming, but I'm just trying to dry off my tab. But it's just not drying. Come on, crossings. There's no, I heard the F40 just a minute ago. The F40 blue just a minute ago. Oh, here it comes. Yep. The F40 is here. The F40 is here. Yes. The F40 is here. Volkswagen Golf from Grazi Volkswagen in Waterloo. Woo! There's the F40. Woo! Business car. Maybe the only car, yes. 1 buck car. 2 buck cars. The only LRC is a business car. Thanks for watching, guys. 2 buck cars, 1 LRC.